The focaccia, a classic Italian olive oil bread. We've made this at the bakery from day one. Focaccia is good. So, a simple dough made with just flour, salt, yeast, a little bit of olive oil, lots more olive oil on top, like this, and I cover the surface like this, just gently. Like playing the piano, like Chopin. So this is a refrigerated dough. So the dough was made yesterday, kept in the cold room overnight, which is always really a good way to bake. You develop those lovely flavours, lots of air. So now I'm going to tip this out onto the table. I can just see it releasing from the box. Now, one little tip, when you're making the focaccia, don't have your hands like that, have your hands like that, you see? And I'm pushing down with my fingertips through the dough, creating those lovely little pockets that the olive oil sits inside. I'm now going to divide this into 4 pieces. So now, first onto the tray, plenty of semolina. And then carefully lift up each piece of dough. And lay it down like that. Now we'll let these prove up for 20 minutes or so. So now the focaccia has proved up. You can see it's just much more voluminous. The next thing we do is dress them, and then we're going to put them in the oven. So cherry tomatoes. Next we put some onion, sliced red onion, some olives, and then a mixture of goat's cheese and cheddar. With the goat's cheese, we cut it into nice big pieces, big chunks of it. And quite ad hoc how you place it. Boom, 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 like that. Nothing too fancy. And then some nice chunks of cheddar cheese as well. More flavour. Again, nice big chunks on there. Like that. Don't skimp with the cheese. Little tip with the rosemary, we keep it in water, in cold water. And then I take it out from the water so that it's wet when it goes in the oven. It keeps it nice and green. Sprinkle that on top. The finest English sea salt available to humanity. Nice little sprinkle of that. There we are. That's ready to go straight in a really hot oven. Here comes Ashley with the second one. Right, that's going to go in the oven. Whoa. There it goes. Another one, plain rosemary is also beautiful. And a little bit of sea salt on top, lovely. And you put your sea salt just before it goes in the oven. Let's go. Lovely, beautiful. And then we just put splash a little bit of water on the front of the oven. Create some steam in the oven. Gets that lovely, golden, beautiful, rich bake. Bye. Look at them there. Irresistible, aren't they? Irresistible.